subscribe, and don't forget to like. Let's eat! Okay. Now what I have?
What do you have?
I have aloo, chapati, beans, and chicken.
How is it?
Tastes good. You made the best.
Thank you.
I love aloo. You make a good aloo. Wow. Do you have your husband?
What?
Do you have your husband? Do I have it?
No, I'm not.
Oh. Last time, I remember, Mom just give me this chopstick and there's a ketchup and I just lick it. And Mama just keep our secret.
Okay.
And it is so. I get it off and then give me on your pocket.
Yeah.
Bye. Cinderella.
And?
Cinderella.
Yeah.
I forget this.
That's Cinderella?
Belle.
No, that's Rapunzel.
I forget. Mama,
Yeah.
this is very tasty.
Thank you.
When Mama was angry, I said sorry and Mama give her sorry and I said sorry and Mama I promise and I don't want to read this.
What did you promise to Mama?
Be good guy.
Yeah.
And I be naughty, I don't want to read this. Cat one. And Mama will be so angry and sad. And I promise Mama and I want this.
Yes.
Mama,
Yeah.
this can you give me a bottle?
You want water?
Yeah.
Okay.
What is it? Oh yeah. Oh the spill.
Yeah.
I get scared and hungry on the YouTube. Oh,
You get scared of YouTube?
yeah, my cartoon.
What?
Cartoon.
Cartoon?
Yeah. The girl
Mhm.
and boys are scared and they're so hungry.
Yeah.
They play eggs game and the bigger wins.
Mhm.
Yeah. I'm ready.
Take a big bite
Okay.
and give to your viewers.
But they'll actually fell. I love you everyone. Ah. 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 No. My hair. My feet is actually cold.
Your feet is cold?
Yes.
Why?
Because I was went on to kitchen and call Mama.
You go in kitchen without your shoes and then your feet are cold now?
Yeah. Ah!
It's fine.
Oh.
Let it be. We'll pick it later.
Very cold. Oh, eating like that. Ah, that's fine. Like this. Like. I'm still thirsty. Even though I cannot, all I drink. Just drink one sip. So if I put it in the just fall. And this is my idea. Hey, no! Blah, 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 blah. Blah, blah, blah.
You like it?
Yes. With my back.
Give me your ratings from 1 to 10. How much will you give to this Chatpate? 10? 10?
Out 10.
10 out of 10? Oh, thank you.
Now 10. 10 out or 10. Ah. Yum beans. Why are you giving only beans?
Oh, it's some chickpeas and yeah.
I don't like chickpeas. Did you have some cucumber in it? No.
You have to show your play.
I'm almost done. I'm almost done eating. Yeah, thank you guys. Fresh water, like a cold water. Then I go and Mama's work and I was thirsty. There's lots of machines and they're all water, the link, and there's also a basketball.
Mm-hmm.
Do you remember?
Mm-hmm.
On my dream.
In your dreams?
Yes. a good dream. Last time I watched scary movie. If you watch scary movie, there'll be monster in your dream.
Oh, okay.
Monster in your dream, they'll take me, and take you also. If you watch scary movie, Mama, and they'll take you also, Mom.
Okay.
If you watch
Come on,
scary-
baby. You're almost done. Finish it.
Okay, Mommy. Come. Mommy. Ah, fine.
Just grab everything in a spoon and then eat it in a bite. Okay.
Bye, I'm full. I only finished all. Oh, just one more. Thank you for watching. Thank you for like my Chatpate and food now. Bye. Subscribe my channel and see you on the next video. Bye.